Welcome everyone. You may be in a situation like me where I paid for Modern Warfare 2, but it's asking me to pay again, 222. So the solution is quite simple. Go to a computer and you're going to want to head over to this link right here, accounts.microsoft.com/billing/orders. And then once you've done that, it will ask you to sign in to your Microsoft account. And so in my case, what happens is even though I bought the game, it allowed me to play the campaign early, which I did, the payment was still declined. So I don't know how that happened because again, I played about 10 hours of Modern Warfare 2 and then suddenly it disappeared from my console. But you can see the payment was actually declined. So what that means is I was never charged in the first place. It does show a pending charge, but I think that's going to be reversed. If it's not, of course, you can contact the bank. So in my case, I just need to rebuy the game. If you see completed here, then what you will need to do is you will need to refund the game and then rebuy it. And I'll have a tutorial on how to refund Xbox games in the description. It's not really like a method or a hack. You just go to a Microsoft website and you're sorted. If you see completed here and the game still isn't showing up on the store, you have to buy it again, then what you will need to do is call up Microsoft. So I will have a Microsoft website with all the contact information. Most likely, I don't know what they'll tell you. It should solve the issue though. So quick video. Hopefully this helps someone out. Bye bye.